Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up? And then welcome from Rasta Nene TV. What I say? Come and catch on some and now me TV best slamming you don't get to for. Sometimes they begin to cast a Rasta's name pejuma. By an no crack. Opo mo hard work. Omukwa 1 million omutimi ye dwetre di ye adwuma aye Rastas. What I say? And then my barber to me bi wa ha. Ebi sanidin. Ah, me nua. That is
yeah, no, it's a cool thing.
Yeah, man. What's it? Jano is a cool thing. Sagwan. Not just what's it? Bibia aye boko. Na me pacho me nua ye frau say.
Your friend will call you herbs, you know.
Call you herbs.
Yeah.
Now, what is herbs?
Herbs. Yeah, I want to say herbs. Like how they used to call it a habine.
Okay. Habine and for.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. To dinner call you herbs, you know. Yeah, I know, say you are ghetto boy, right?
Yeah, man.
But sometimes I'm out for this. We are ghetto boy. We are conform pejuma. Oh, Sanema, what the fuck? Etisa.
Nah.
Let to say.
That not real, no.
Yeah, man.
Almost every righteous Rasta want to get money for living at this life, you know.
Yeah, man.
In this life, everything is a money thing, no.
Yeah, man.
We just a road from them. The man knows it. We can't stay home if we get happy, no.
Yeah, man.
And we now want living a criminal living, no.
Yeah,
so
man.
we have to get something to work with it.
Okay.
So that we can
But
shop
bisa your herbs. Kasa all can you say or say onye criminal niema ye basa onye oye Christo nipa ojinyame di. But sometimes once our ghetto boy or Rasta Nene no amanfo hu na ano mfi se wonya na bibisa kwadwo na mehu se boto bi egugu akire ho ene insuru oba yenko ho kwadwo na no e den
ya toma China phone
okay
the rubber like rubber black
okay na adwen be ne ba utiri ma hu se o mo totimi de ya o pack gu
unim bibi se ene e kan bibi se wi ase bibi a research
okay
so wonantia him de ekoso wi ase bia one day I'm not hungry. I'm say China phone to chimbe on the song.
Okay.
Now BBC any on the no okay. So we share bottle back with here in your force. Okay. The more now we share and the more we see
Matthias, your friend, mama says in rubber. No, do one call almost sabre or like what you have so pen to
that time say me a righteous Rasta man.
Yeah, man.
Me I deal with those like.
But sometimes they be most who says locks smooth tissue on your Rasta.
Nah, that are not real.
What is Rasta?
Rasta.
Yeah.
A Rasta is someone who live in a righteous way. You know?
What is righteous?
Righteous means something that's good for living.
Yeah, man. Also righteous just obi or button in your bra but me hot here. It miss so who Rastas. Mumfa nidie ene obuo ma wom ene kwadwo herbs ena me ne no etwetwen komo barras Nene TV so no kwadwo na me pacho wako uko school we school uni made pa o sai nim nyom to
man
uni nyom to enyom be na
we dey in a dance alten
wetin na to gospel kakra
gospel like
Dana say
no we can't say that true gospel no.
Oh okay obetima to no bro from abetimi out
nah me could have sing it in a
okay you can sing
you say
yeah man
the rivers of Babylon there is fire burning we not care who attack shit. In our life, we just watch only Jah. That knows it.
Hey, bounce some called you herbs. Kwadwo na anya say we betina ya music o.
Yeah.
Sir. Kwadwo me pa cho fa number 2 dwa kakra. Obi anu to asem na obetimi afre what yawa.
Okay.
Obetimi number 2 dwa.
Okay. 0543
35 9246. Kwadwo herbs e number no. Oso obi catch us say ghetto boys in Peduma oboa. Kwadwo e na aboaboa sa insuru oba we nyina ano agu ono de twen China for. Kwadwo ne China for e na eye business. Kwadwo ko school pa anya so wan ko school. But sometimes na dey na da ko mu no.
Yeah, it represented from Ghana. No?
Ghana. Okay, now musicians, dancehall musicians, no one pan open us.
In Ghana, no.
Yeah.
That knows it's a real bad man thing.
Yeah, man.
Shatter movement.
Yeah, man. 2 years SM.
Yeah.
We are SM.
Yeah.
Now say yes, money. Shatawale ni Beyonce, nyom. But nyom no boy, no near say the whole Africa, of future African musicians bebree. But ɛnum na Beyonce ne Shatawali yɛ no. Yɛsɛ Shatawali deɛ paa ne deɛ etimi hete ɛyɛ no korɛ.
Oh, shemu dia no na hete.
Saa ho.
Ba o kan de yankofo nim sɛ o yɛ de.
Nti ɛdeɛ na abɛka kyerɛ SM fo nyina.
Yeah, me know say the man them living a real life no. Them not like criminality, but some people see it as a criminal no.
Or say on your criminal, but I want for who now woman himself or say criminal. Yes,
because a shutter movement it's a bad man thing.
So what is shutter movement?
It's a real loyalty group, you know.
Right.
We deal with loyalty life, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ray measure that any Kojo helps. Asa ba abetwetwe nkomo bebre. In fact, boy no ama mania je papa. We living in ghetto way, ghetto life. We live in ghetto life. We are simple. Ene Kojo enam na twetwe nkomo no. Emza ne namfofo bi so wa ha enye Kojo nko a. Wari ase. Tale mo baba kakra. Hey, we are. What you say? Yeah, Alpha ha ya, you know. Oh, my shit, man. What you? Yeah, and today I said about catching Rasta Nene TV, official TV.
It's all about Rasta Nene official TV, you know.
Yeah, man.
That knows a real mash of things there, you know. Keep watching, watch more things live, you know.
Yeah, man.
That knows a real about entertainment things.
Yeah, man.
That knows a real
Yeah, man. Yeah, that man says some catch them say the dear. And then we mean na man na yanko difufu na nya pano. And then they powura Ghetto S M. Sometimes omo wo ho no, omo adwenpa, omo onipa. What you say, Omo Tema? Yada will be asked by Rasta Nene TV. Boyaka. Respect. Greetings, everybody. Yada must say, Abluchi for your church. Boom. Was it boom? Fire burn them Babylon. Yeah, man.
Down things, you know.
Yeah, man.
Really mash up bad man things, you know.
Yeah, man.
Be in a 72 street of
Warriors here.
Watch it live, you know.
Yeah, man. Bomba clad. Yeah, man. Bye-bye.